Welcome to the video. Today, I'll show you how to clean your Puma shoes at home using simple steps. Whether you have white sneakers, suede, or mesh fabric, this method works for all types. Keeping your shoes clean not only makes them look better, but also helps them last longer. Step 1. Gather your materials. Here's what you'll need: a soft brush or old toothbrush, mild detergent or sneaker cleaner, a bowl of warm water, a microfiber cloth, and optionally, baking soda for deep stains. Make sure everything is within reach before you begin to save time during the cleaning process. Step 2. Remove loose dirt. Start by removing the laces and tapping the shoes together to get rid of loose dirt. Use a dry brush to gently scrub the outer surface and remove any dust or debris stuck in small areas. Step 3. Clean the surface. Mix a small amount of detergent with warm water. Dip your brush into the solution and scrub the shoes gently in circular motions, focusing on stains and dirty areas. Be patient and avoid pressing too hard to protect the material. Step 4. Rinse and wipe. Use a clean, damp cloth to wipe off the soap and dirt from the shoes. Make sure to rinse the cloth a few times to remove all the cleaning solution without soaking the shoes. Step 5. Dry properly. Stuff the shoes with paper towels to help them keep their shape as they dry. Let them air dry indoors in a shaded area, and avoid direct sunlight or heat sources like a dryer. Step 6. Final touch. Once completely dry, relace your shoes, and give them a quick brush for a fresh finish. Your Puma sneakers will look clean, refreshed, and ready to wear again.